In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram account suspended for no reason. So, when you try to open Instagram and then log into your account and then you get this pop-up message that your Instagram account has been suspended. So that is because it might have sent any suspicious activity, IP or device change, AI moderation errors, etc. So when you try to log in, and you get this notice, there you will find this disagree with the decision or submit an appeal button. Simply click on it. There provide a short calm explanation stating that your account was wrongfully removed. Tell them that you have not violated any community guidelines and it is real you. You might even have to complete the identity verification by uploading a clear selfie video or a government issued photo ID if requested, and then simply submit it. After that, wait patiently for 24 hours to 10 days. And Instagram will review your account, and if there's nothing going wrong, then simply they will restore your account. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.